Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is about Google's new AI chatbot called Bard. So Bard is the website for Google's experimental AI chatbot, and Bard is a large language module that has been trained on a massive data set of text and code. So it's able to generate human-like text, it translates languages, it's able to write different kinds of creative content, and it's able to answer questions in an informative way. So Bard is still under development, but then it has still learned to perform many kinds of tasks. And in order to access it, you just have to type this bard.google.com in your web browser. And if you already have a Google account, it automatically logs you in. So the moment you are logged in, you get to have this interface. So let's start exploring some of the features that Bard has. So we are going to say let me just say create a poem, sorry, with this topic. Create a poem with this topic alone. Alright, then we enter. So when we enter, we give it some time to generate the response that we want. So here is my poem. So we scroll down, you can give it feedback whether the response you got was a good response or a bad response. You can also modify the response here. You can make it shorter, you can make it longer, simpler and more casual or more professional. You can also share. When you click on the share, you see that you can export to Google Docs, you can draft it in Gmail, and you can also search for related content on Google as well. So you are going to scroll up. When you scroll up, you can see there's view other drafts. So view other drafts is like, if you don't want this response, you can go for this or you can go for that. All right, okay. And also, if you don't want to type your prompt into the search button here, you can always use a microphone. So you can use your voice to give prompts and then it will give you answers. And then you can also upload files to edit whatever you want to work on. So this is all about Bard. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share your thoughts and then like this video as well.